Hello, this is Nathan Evans Vlogs. First time vlogging with my new camera. So yeah, I'm just really happy. So yeah, I'll explain it to you when I'm swinging. Bad lighting. Hey, that's good, kind of. I'll explain it to you. So pretty much, I've just been filming with an iPod. And then today, I ordered this camera from Amazon. It got in. It didn't have a memory card, and the camera only could have like a video or two. So I went to get a memory card. It works. So now, yeah, this is my recording setup. Well, I don't care. So yeah, right now I'm playing dog with my dad, and I just want to see. Let's do some tests with this, like how fast it can zoom in and out. Okay, that's what I wanted, to be honest. I want it to be fast enough, but slow too, so yeah. Yeah, that's all I really wanted. So yeah. Yeah. So I've got nothing to vlog today, so here's a couple clips of me and my friend Quinn. You probably know that's a different channel. Destroying, doing a drop test, and then a little special thing at the end. Here it is.
Everybody, so yeah, today's
it's
a vlog, but we've got this Nerf Maverick. We're gonna do a stress test because it's spray painted and I don't like it. So let's see. 2 was slanted, and then 2 is not slanted. So
It's one.
how far do you think that went?
20 feet.
Yeah, good 20.
Good 20 feet for slanted.
Yeah. No, non-slanted.
Or non-slanted. This is slanted.
Non-slanted.
For 30, 35,
No.
30,
20.
25.
22, about.
34.
That's 24. Okay.
So
time for
let's go check.
test.
Now let's go check the ranges. So 20 feet.
20 feet, another 20, and then like 24.
And then 22.
That is probably 25.
Okay. Now, time for the dropping test.
So now we are going to do a dropping test.
Okay.
No, you don't stop the
Yeah. Yeah. I've seen these videos.
3, 2, 1. Okay. Another time, but chuck it hard. Hard.
We're going to do it on the ground.
Yeah, on the ground.
Ready?
Ooh, I heard the spring. It definitely popped out. Oh no. Right.
No.
That spring popped
Throw
out.
it up. Wait. Spring looks like it's about to pop out.
Yeah, no. That's definitely out. No? Okay, so now I'm going to be
This is
doing
a drop test, like you saw. So this is the 4th hit, but it's going to be hard on a piece of wood. Ooh, that didn't sound good.
Jeez, hang on.
It still works.
Still in there.
The spring's definitely getting looser.
4 drops. The barrel popped out.
That's 8 drops so far.
Barrel staying in there. Oh, crap.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Excuse me for my bad language. Okay. Now Nate is gonna film me dropping it.
Oh no.
This is
one.
going to be the 9th drop test. chuck it down as hard as you can. I'm gonna get out. Ooh. Not making a big difference. You want to go on to my special thing?
You just throw it up. I can catch it.
No. 10.
Oh, I saw something pop.
Yeah, that's what I've seen.
See? Oh, the spring is getting so much looser.
You can feel it, can't you?
Yeah. Oh.
That's got it. Nope, just fine.
Well, that spring is loose. That had to. That bounced. Oh, that barrel.
That works. Okay, last one, then my special move. For the last.
I heard something.
Yep. Definitely. Okay, so let's see if it works. You know what?
One more.
No, is it? Okay, last one, then special move time.
Let's go.
No. See the damage done? Nothing. When we see a big crack, we're concerned. Nope. Do the other side. No. You're missing.
This is hard, man. So scary.
There's damage.
Yeah.
Stop. Hold this. So as you see here, this barrel kind of moving faster. So I bet spring that moves it slowly moved it faster. Okay, here. Now let me take more hits. Nothing.
Ooh. Let's show them.
I see damage done already.
Yep.
Right here, it cracked. And right here. And right
Okay.
here. Right here.
Show them. Show them.
I'm
Show
trying
them.
to show them.
Right
Where? Okay. That.
And then that's pretty much
No.
the biggest
No.
damage.
Yeah, the biggest, but otherwise, that's like the biggest.
This is what happens with them. Okay, show them. Don't take it off.
It is completely stuck.
Let's try and get it off.